If you use Obsidian for productivity, note-taking, journaling, or personal organization, then creating a habit tracker inside Obsidian is one of the best ways to stay consistent with your goals. Whether you want to track studying, workouts, reading, meditation, sleep, water intake, or daily routines, Obsidian can become a very powerful habit tracking system once it's set up properly. The best part is that you can completely customize it according to your own workflow, instead of being limited by the design of traditional habit tracking apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a habit tracker with Obsidian step by step in the easiest, beginner-friendly way possible in 2026. So first, let's quickly understand why many people prefer tracking habits inside Obsidian instead of using separate apps. The main reason is integration. Your habits, notes, journal entries, goals, and productivity systems can all exist inside one connected workspace. Instead of switching between multiple apps, everything stays organized together in a single vault. To get started, first open Obsidian on your computer and create a new note. You can name it something like Habit Tracker or Daily Habits. The simplest way to track habits in Obsidian is by using checklists. For example, you can create tasks like exercise, read 20 minutes, drink water, study, or sleep early. Then, every day, you simply check them off once completed. You can create checkboxes very easily by typing a dash followed by square brackets. Once you do that, Obsidian automatically creates an interactive checklist item. Clicking the checkbox marks the habit as completed. This method is simple, clean, and perfect for beginners who want a fast setup without complicated systems. Now let's improve the tracker further by organizing it daily. One popular method is creating a daily note template. This allows Obsidian to automatically generate a fresh habit tracker every day. To do this, go into Settings and enable the Daily Notes core plugin if it's not already enabled. After that, create a template note containing your daily habit tracker. For example, your template can include sections like morning routine, health, work, study, and reflection. Under each section, you can place habit checkboxes. Once the template is connected to daily notes, every new daily note automatically includes your habit tracker structure. This saves time and keeps your workflow consistent. Now let's talk about plugins, because plugins can make habit tracking much more powerful. Go to Settings, then Community Plugins, and enable Community Plugins if they are disabled. After that, click Browse and search for plugins related to tracking and visualization. One of the most useful plugins for habit tracking is the Calendar plugin. This adds a calendar view inside Obsidian so you can quickly navigate between daily notes. It becomes much easier to review consistency and track progress over time. Another useful plugin is Data View, which allows you to create summaries and statistics from your notes automatically. For example, with Data View, advanced users can generate tables showing completed habits, streak counts, or monthly consistency reports. Beginners don't need to learn Data View immediately, but it's one of the most powerful features once you become more comfortable with Obsidian. Over time, your Obsidian Vault becomes a detailed productivity and self-improvement archive. One major advantage of using Obsidian for habit tracking is flexibility. Unlike traditional habit tracking apps that force you into fixed layouts, Obsidian allows complete customization. You can create minimal trackers, detailed journal-style systems, weekly reviews, monthly dashboards, or even combine habits with project management systems. Habit tracking inside Obsidian is also extremely useful for students and professionals. Students can track study sessions, revision schedules, assignments, and learning goals. Professionals can track work routines, productivity targets, content creation schedules, or personal development goals. Everything stays connected inside the same vault. Another important tip is to keep your tracker simple at the beginning. Many beginners create overly complicated systems and stop using them after a few days. Start with only a few important habits and focus on consistency first. Once the habit becomes stable, you can slowly expand your tracking system over time. You should also review your tracker regularly. Weekly and monthly reviews help identify patterns, strengths, and areas where consistency is dropping. Obsidian makes this easier because all your data stays searchable and connected. So, overall, creating a habit tracker with Obsidian is one of the best ways to build a personalized productivity system in 2026. With daily notes, templates, checklists, and plugins, you can create a flexible and highly organized tracking system that grows along with your goals and routines. I hope this guide helped you understand how to create a habit tracker with Obsidian step by step. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity guides, and beginner-friendly tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.